should make the cube smaller instead.
Felix will do it.
Okay. Okay, I got both hands. I'm gonna shrink it. There.
Yep. Changed.
Okay, now I got rotation mode.
Yeah.
Final project. This part of the project is the projector producing the images that we want onto the spinning mirror. And as this mirror spins around, we have our drivers outputting different angles of the same object at very high speed, so that the viewers from different angles could see different sides of the object, but it will be the same object. And the reflection is actually in the mirror. So we turn off the lights. So it's kind of faint, but you can see the cube in the mirror right now. It's not changing right now, but as if we can project different angles of the cube as the mirror spins, then we can show different sides of the cube. So that way, the user standing in front of our project will see the front side, and the user standing in the back will see the back side of the cube.
Sounds good.
So
rotations.
this is our demo for the Kinect part of our final project. Here's Yusuke, who will be demonstrating the cam motions, which will be detected by the Kinect right over here. And here is our cube that we're controlling. And here it goes.
So starting off without anything, if in order to activate one of my hands to start receiving input, I have to wave it or point it in. As you can see, when I wave my hand in, the Kinect recognized that it was a hand and started collecting point data on it. With the first hand, if I just have one hand and I move it around, the cube will attempt to face my hand. Essentially, this accounts for a rotation operation. So as you can see, moving it around the square is also rotating the cube in kind of a square way. You can go vertical up, down, about 90 degrees, and then we can do a full 180 degree rotation on the edges here. So if I put in the second hand here, and I move my hand farther and closer apart like this, it enters scaling mode. So as you can see, the object is actually scaling on sync with everything. If I put both my hands together and I start moving them around like this, it will enter translation mode. Oop. There you go. Or it's there you go. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm actually translating the object here. So I can scale it, translate it, and put it in some orientation that I want. And whenever I want my hands to deactivate, I just leave it still. And as you can see, it doesn't respond to my responses anymore. The data from the computer goes through USB, comes over here to the image parser system. Right here, the image parser saves the image data to the SRAM here, and it saves 3 images because that's how many angles we're projecting, and that data is being read here by the projector driver, which translates the data to a composite video signal that goes to the projector way over here. How many hertz is that?
I don't know.
10 hertz. Great.
Yeah, I guess so. Making sure this BJT or this MOSFET's doing correctly. Yeah, you gotta get the angles, that's the whole point. It's different from every side.
I got it from here, Max got it like from there. And
Alright, look at the spinning maybe just for a little. Can you see it? Make sure you can see it.
I think the motor is kind of slow.
Yeah, so we use the port choice for a motor. All right, dude. Something's burning. It's working. This is amazing.
Of course it works.
I am trying to do vertical rotation right now.
It's doing it. It's doing it.
Okay, here's horizontal.
Yep.
Yeah, it rotates it. Wow.
You rotate other way.